Good morning, people. Today we are going to be reviewing this, and this is the Parkside foam concentrate. Long story short, it is the Lidl snow foam. I have never seen this in store before. When I was in the other day, they had a couple car cleaning bits here, but for £3.49 you could pick this up, and it says for foam sprayer and for sponge, although as I said we are going to use it as a snow foam. And it has got some very interesting dilution ratios. So look, that says here, but use between 30 and 100 millilitres to 1 litre of water. 30 mil. This must be an absolutely ridiculous concentration. It also says it comes with a cherry scent. I also do quite like all the warning labels on the back of this. Look, dispose of this product and its container at a hazardous waste collection point. So basically, it can cause you loads of damage, and you think, well, why do you sell it then? You know, but anyway, that being said, we're going to be using the V-Tough Snow Foam Lance for this video. I have got 1,000 millilitres of water, which is a litre. I'm going to add 30 millilitres of product, which is 2 of these spoons. I'm not expecting it to do very well from that, but we shall see. So let's give that a go, and we'll head outside. Alright, so out front now, and for this video I'm going to be cleaning the Kia. I will be cleaning it using the snow foam as well. I know people don't usually like me doing that, but it's my video and I can do what I want. Now before I pull that out, even though it was 30 millilitres, 30 to a litre, I was thinking that's not going to work. But to see how pink it's actually made it, of how clearly how concentrated it is, I'm maybe not expecting big things from it, but I'm expecting it to be decent. So let's see. The car is dry for this one. The rest of them it will be wet, but for this one it is dry. So let's see how we go. I wasn't expecting big things from 30 mil. It was only the fact that it's so pink. I was maybe thinking, oh, it might be a little bit better. I mean, no, you can't use that as snow foam. All right, so we definitely need more than 30 millilitres. So let me go and get the bottle and I'll add some more. Doesn't have a smell. Doesn't have a smell. It says it's cherry scented. No, I can't really smell it, but it's so diluted. I mean, it's still, I think 30 millilitres. The fact that it's even got any soap on it, I think is quite impressive. But let me go and get the soap and I'll add a little bit more. Well, if I do it again, so 15. Again, I missed, so we've now got around 60 to 70 millilitres of snow foam. Definitely an improvement, but I still wouldn't say that snow foam. It's nowhere near thicker. This is a good lance as well. It's not like saying I'm not using a good lance. Clearly that is not a good concentrate. I'm not sure why it says to use that. So, all right, let me do it again. I'm now going to add, so it will be 1 litre of product. I'm going to do this again. I'll show you. I'm going to add 100 millilitres of snow foam to 1 litre of water. Right, I've used a little bit of it now. Obviously, I've used it up, but you know what I mean. But 2 15 millilitre spoonfuls. I just keep spilling it. Let's go now for the third time. We are now at the maximum amount that it says, basically 100 ml. Let's see how this goes. So we are definitely improving how much soap is coming out, because the car is now effectively white. But it's not sudsy. It's it's just so watery. So still not a snow. I can't complain that much. It's £3.50. I know it's only a litre, but still, all right. Like if you did it like that, you'd get 10 washes out of that. So you can't really. I'm not having a dig like that because it is cheap. So all right then. It's all right. So we'll do it again. We'll pour it out and we'll add even more until we can actually get it really foamy. I do also appreciate that some of you may be going, it doesn't need to be foamy for it to be a good snow foam, because it might be really good at cleaning. Yes, this is true. But if you're snow foaming up your car, you want it to at least look like snow. Clues in the name, isn't it, for snow foam? But no, I'm still, as I said, I'm going to do it until it comes out really sudsy, like how we want it. I'm going to clean the rest of the car anyway, so I'll tell you about its cleaning capabilities, well, once I'm cleaning the car. Okay then, so much heavier concentration. There is about 550 millilitres of water. I'm going to add 200 millilitres of this. I'm going double the recommended highest dosage. So 550, so I want 650, I want 750. If my maths is mathsing, 550, yeah, so there we go. Right then, I've lost track of how many times I've done this now, but hopefully this will be good. Try again. It is clinging to the car a bit better, but it's still not. Look how watery it is. Again, it is cheap, so I can't knock it to that extent because it is only £3.50, and it is a litre. Although, if you then did it like that and you did, you know, between two, you'd only get 4 washes out of it. But it's still a very cheap wash. I mean, it is stuck, but it's not. That's not satisfying for me. I would. Right, I'm going to start cleaning the car now. I did snow foam up the car one last time, I did it for my short video, and then I put the rest of that inside that bucket. It did suds up quite well in the bucket, if you can just about see it on the lens there. So yeah, I'm going to wash it off. I'll speed it up so I don't bore you. So I'm using the snow foam as my shampoo. You know, I know people don't like me doing that, but as I said, it's my video. I did forget to say, I'm using a VTuff V5 pressure washer. Same as the snow foam lance. I have got a discount code for that. It is Charlie10. I'll show you it when we're back inside. But yeah, good washer. So anyway, let's crack on. Alright, so I've cleaned this half of the car, still got to do the bonnet and the other side. But you know what, the smell's actually alright. It does say, what was it, cherry scented? You get like a slight little zest of it kind of thing. I know some other ones have that cherry, I think it's the AA one, it smells, it burns your nostrils. But this is actually quite a pleasant smell. And what is surprising, I used 2 buckets to clean. Like, this is the dirty bucket. Look how sudsy that is, considering that out the snow foam lines. It wasn't very sudsy, alright, I did put a blanket on it. But bucket method, it's nice and soapy. I can't say it's nice. It's better at hand washing than it is being a snow foam. I mean, it does say it is a snow foam, so I don't think I'm being like quite critical of it. It says, you know, foam. It's foam. It's supposed to be a snow foam, you know, but it's definitely better as using it as a sponge method. It does suds up a lot better. It seems to be doing quite a good job. Being honest, my cars don't usually get that dirty anyway, so I couldn't tell you if it's really good or not. As I said, I'm just a casual car cleaner, I'm not a detailer or anything like that. But anyway, so then what are my final thoughts of the Parkside foam concentrate? I'll try out this up as quickly as possible. As a snow foam, I don't think it's very good. You know, as using your lance, not a great product. But using the bucket and sponge method, it is very sudsy. It's actually quite nice to use. And it's quite a pleasant smell. And you know what? It did a good job, I think, cleaning my car. Car's nice and shiny and everything like that. As I said in the video, my car isn't that dirty to begin with, so it's difficult for me to tell you if it's a really strong cleaner. But you know what? For £3.49, it's actually, it's decent stuff. I can't say it's not. It's a bargain price. Just not a great snow foam. So if they literally change that to maybe not foam concentrate, because I don't think it's very foamy. Although in the bucket I think it was alright. But yeah, just remember, if you are looking at a new snow foam lance, possibly a pressure washer, check out the VTuff website, whack in that coupon code there and you can save yourself a little bit of money. So that being said, hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.